Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you're all doing well and are safe during this coronavirus pandemic. Had a question come up in one of my videos about the flue damper on my Well-McLean boiler, and I told the gentleman, I don't remember his name, but he had a question about how the flue damper is wired to the boiler controls, so I figured I'd shoot a quick video for him, and hopefully it helps him out and helps anyone else out that maybe wants to install one on their boiler. Alright, so essentially, if you're not familiar, the flue damper is up here. What its job is to close a damper here inside the smoke pipe. And the idea is that when the boiler is off, the damper is closed and it maintains the heat inside the boiler instead of it escaping out the chimney. Okay, and obviously when the boiler fires, it's open to allow the gases to go out. Alright, so damper has a piece of armored flex that runs down through a hole here in the housing of the boiler, and there is 4 wires that control this. Okay, there is a red, a black, a yellow, and a green. Alright, so all the wires come back to this molded connector here. I'm not sure if the damper, when you buy it, comes with this or not. If it doesn't, you really don't need it, because I'm just going to show you where all the wires get attached to all the equipment in here. Alright, so we'll start with the red wire. Red wire, like I said, comes up into this connector and then basically just comes out on the top over here, this wire loom. Alright, and the red wire goes down to the gas valve. So under the gas valve there is a couple like spade terminal taps, and the red wire is just plugged into one of them. It is the connector on the right on the bottom of the gas valve here. Okay, let's see if I can zoom that in so you can see. Alright, so that's it right here. Here's the black wire that is also connected to the gas valve. That has nothing to do with the flue damper, but the flue damper is the red. Okay. The yellow wire again goes through the molded connector here, and that goes up to the aquastat. It's this wire right here. Let me see if I can get you some better light. All right, so the aquastat, the yellow wire on the right, again, is coming from the flue damper. The green wire again goes through the connector. All right, so here's the green wire. Here's the connector down here. Comes up and gets connected to the C terminal on the transformer. You can see the C terminal there. This transformer is mounted sideways. I'm not sure if they come like that from the factory, but on my particular one, the C terminal is the topmost terminal closest to the access door here on the boiler. Okay. The screw terminals have like a spade terminal breakout on all of them, so you can attach multiple wires to each of the taps. All right, so the green goes to the C. The final wire, the black, gets connected to the R screw on the transformer, which on mine is, if I can show you here, on the bottom. So that is the screw terminal on the transformer that's under the C. Alright, you gotta look at the labeling on the actual transformer here. You can see, I don't know if you can see that too well, but you see the C there on the top, the G is in the middle, and the R is on the bottom. The bottom back is W, the top back is Y. Okay, so real quickly again, 4 wires from the damper. Red wire goes to the gas valve, the yellow wire goes to the aquastat, the green wire goes to the transformer C tap, and the black wire goes to the transformer R tap. Okay, real simple. That's the only connections on this. The only other thing I wanted to show was, if you're not too familiar how the damper works, it's connected to the safety system for the boiler. So if the damper doesn't open, it'll lock the boiler out from starting up. All right. It is the last I believe, safety switch to activate the gas valve before the boiler fires. So when there's a call for heat, the flue damper will start opening, and when that is finished opening, I guess it proves the circuit, and then the gas valve opens up. It's the last thing you hear happen. There's just one other thing I want to show you guys. There is a switch back here on the damper, and what that is a bypass. And what you could do is, if this thing ever burns out, you could flip the switch and manually open up the damper, and that won't impede your boiler for operating. So there's a lot of debate if those dampers actually do anything or not, if they're beneficial. Some guys will say that it's just another problem or a weak link in the chain, that if it breaks it'll stop the boiler from firing. I don't know. I'm under the impression that it's better to have it than not have it. I mean, I understand the theory behind it, but if you're going by the theory that, you know, it's another thing that could break, well, there's a lot of things that could break in here. The gas valve can go bad, the transformer can burn out, the thermostat could stop working. So if it was me, I'd add it. And I believe when you order this, it comes with the whole assembly here, if I'm not mistaken. The smoke pipe, and it mounted to the side here with the damper. So you just gotta, you know, connect it in line to your flue pipe. All right. That's about it, guys. Hope you found this helpful. Any other questions, post them in the comments section. I'll try to answer them. And I'll see you on the next one.